This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to rotate text in Google Docs. So I'm right here on Google Docs in an untitled document. I have some placeholder text here that I found online just for the purposes of this video. But what we're going to do is we're going to create whole new text and make it rotate. So come down to the bottom, we've got this nice big space right here. What we're going to do to actually rotate the text, we're going to come up to the very top and we're going to click on Insert. Now about halfway down we have this draw in option here. So draw in is kind of probably the most underused feature of Google Docs really. You can do so much with it. I'll show you the canvas. So about halfway down we're going to hover over draw in, come across to new, click on new, and then what this will do is this will open up the canvas. So this is the main canvas. On Google Docs, again, it's a really unused feature, this drawing feature. We can add images and all sorts in here, but what we want to do for the purposes of this video is we're going to add some text. So we click on this two T's right here, a big T and a little t for text box, and we can select it anywhere we want. So let's just put it roughly in the middle here. Now I'm going to put this text rotate. So really original there, I know. I'm going to highlight this text like that. Now I want to make it a lot bigger, so in the usual ways we can manipulate text just like we ordinarily would. So let's go with 60 here for font size. I can also drag this handle a little bit there. Now I'm just going to position this a bit more, so I've just moved it around there. So you can dress your text up however you want. You can change your font size here if you wanted Helvetica New, for instance. Just showing you a few options. You can do italics, bold, underline, all the usual stuff. You can make that orange if you want, although that looks quite garish. So what we've got there is we've got our text. So now in order to actually rotate it, we will highlight again. You see these handles up here. So you see this all kind of almost like a clock face in a direction. What we can do is we can rotate just like so. So you can rotate your text anywhere you want, whether you want it sort of 90 degrees, whether you want a slight slant to 45 degrees, whatever you want. Let's make it quite obvious that we can see on the page once we add it. So let's say we've rotated our text. You can do anything. You can come all the way around, do a 360 if you really want to. We have it rotated like that. Let's just go with this, just so I can show you in this demo. So there we go, the text has been rotated. You can have it rotated in any direction you want. All that's left to do is click save and close, and just like that, the text has been added into the document. So this is almost like an image, this is almost like a drawing itself. You can edit that at any time if you need to add, you made a spelling mistake or something, you want to change the color, whatever you want to do, add different text, you can do that. And of course you can do that as many times as you want throughout the document. So hopefully you found this video on how to rotate text in Google Docs useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.